In the heart of Scotland lies a journey like no other, a path through timeless beauty where steel meets steam and imagination meets history. Welcome to the Jacobite Train, a symbol of Scottish heritage and one of the most scenic railway journeys in the world. This story begins in the 19th century, an era of industrial progress and railway expansion. Known today as the Jacobite Train, this line was once part of the West Highland Railway, built to connect remote communities to the wider world. But this is no ordinary train. From its iconic steam engine to its hand-rested carriages, the Jacobite offers a journey through history, a tribute to Scotland's past. Our journey begins in Fort William, nestled at the foot of Ben Nevis, the highest mountain in the British Isles. As the train pulls away, the rhythm of the rails begins to transport us, not just across landscapes, but across time. The route stretches 42 miles each way, from Fort William to the fishing port of Mallaig. Every mile is a canvas painted with Scotland's rugged beauty. Through forests and glens, the Jacobite follows a route rich with history. These lands were once home to fierce clans and dramatic battles, their stories etched into the very stones and hills we pass. The sound of rushing waters and the call of distant birds remind us that this is a land of untamed wilderness. The Glenfinnan Viaduct is perhaps the most iconic moment of the journey. Built in 1898, this 21-arch marvel of engineering spans 380 metres, gracefully curving over the valley below. As we cross the viaduct, it's easy to see why this scene has captured imaginations worldwide. From Harry Potter to countless travel documentaries, this spot has become a symbol of adventure and wonder. Beyond the viaduct, the journey unveils the Highlands in all their glory. From Loch Shiel's shimmering waters to the towering peaks of Glenfinnan, the landscapes feel alive, ever-changing with the light and weather. This is the Scotland of postcards and dreams, a place where nature reigns supreme. As we near Mallaig, the air carries the salty tang of the sea. This charming fishing port marks the end of our journey, but for many, it's also the beginning of new adventures, memories, and discoveries. The Jacobite Train is more than just a ride, it's a journey into the heart of Scotland, a place where landscapes inspire, history whispers, and dreams come alive. Until next time, may the magic of the Highlands stay with you.